Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Microsoft Edge that has been released. Of course, it follows the Google Chrome 106 version, and now we have Edge 106 that is available for download if you want to upgrade your browser for the new version. The best reason to do so is because it also fixes security flaws. So that is also important to check out. They do have a security bulletin with it that fixes one flaw, and I'm not sure that it actually updates yet with the flaws that we were fixed on Friday. So there might be another update this week that fixes more security flaws. It also has this new welcome page now. Microsoft Edge has been updated. Choose the web browser that puts you first, and with the Let's Go button. So to update to the latest version, or to see if you have the update, you can go to the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, go into Help and Feedback and About Microsoft Edge, and you will be updated to 106.0.1370.34 as of late October 3rd, 2022. If it doesn't show up, try a few times. I actually knew it was out, but I checked. I think I had to check 3 times before it actually updated on almost every machine that I did it on. So maybe it was just not available, but anyways, after the 3rd try, it was there. So what's new in the version 106? The biggest new feature of 106 is a totally redone and new SmartScreen filter, which goes with, of course, the Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. With this new SmartScreen library enabled, what happens is that now you have a much more reliable web defense, and when you browse the web, there's much more protection. They recognize much more threats and, bad downloads, websites you shouldn't go to. So the improved security apparently is really a big boost in the Edge version right now. So this was introduced in version 103 but not enabled. It's officially enabled in 106. And if you are using the work results in the address bar at the top of the browser, now the address bar actually can show 4 results rather than 2. Apart from that, there's a few new policies that are enabled in the, or not enabled, but they are introduced within the policies that you can change in the browser itself, Internet Explorer integration. There's efficiency mode on power enabled and efficiency mode enabled that appear in the policies. So on the front-facing features, not really nothing that you'll notice new, but improved security due to the new SmartScreen filters is what really is the major new feature in this version of Edge. So check it out, and like I said, even if you don't really care much about any new features that could be in here, just for the security flaws that it fixes, you should update to version 106. And I'll be looking at this week, but I probably expect another update that would actually upgrade to fix the security flaws that the Google Chrome fixed on Friday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.